In this video, I'll show you how you can create a stunning, professional PowerPoint presentation using AI in just a few minutes. You don't need any design skills, and you don't have to spend hours creating slides manually. The best part is that you can download the final presentation in PPTX format and edit it in Microsoft PowerPoint whenever you want. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Kimi, then open the first website. Once the website loads, you'll see this interface. On the left side, you'll notice the Slides option. Click on it. This is the prompt box. Here, you only need to enter a single sentence describing the presentation you want to create. Down you can see a number of presentation options like academic, business, marketing, strategy, work and education. I will keep the option general. Now I'll ask the AI to generate a presentation based on the topic. Like machine learning application in business. The AI will begin processing your request. Wait while it's processing. Here's another important step. The AI will ask you a few questions to better understand your requirements. Like, who is the target audience for this presentation? What is the primary purpose of this presentation? How many slides would you prefer? Answer all the questions according to your requirement. Now watch carefully as the AI starts creating a beautiful presentation. It goes through several stages, including planning the content, organizing the slides, writing the text, and designing the layout automatically. Wait while it's processing. On the right side you can see search result for presentation. Within a short time, you'll have a professional quality presentation that's ready to use. From here I will click on play to check each slide design. The slides include titles, content, visuals, and a clean design, making them suitable for school, college, business meetings, seminars, and classroom presentations. This is the exciting part. You can now enjoy a presentation completely generated by AI in just a few clicks. Once it's finished, click on Export. You can see many options, like Share Link or Google Slides. Here you can export presentation to Google Slides. You'll see the option to download the presentation in PPTX format. Click Download, and the presentation will be saved to your computer. Now let's open the downloaded PowerPoint file. As you can see, the presentation looks clean, professional, and well organized. Everything is neatly formatted, and the slides are ready to present immediately. If you'd like to customize anything, you can easily edit the presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint by changing the text, images, colors, or adding your own content. And that's how simple it is to create professional presentations using AI. Whether you're a student preparing an assignment, a teacher creating lecture slides, or an office professional working on presentations, this AI tool can save you a lot of time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.